many, many, muchos, muchas, many. I have done that many times. I have done that many times. Lo he hecho muchas veces. I have done that many times. Here, here, aquí, here. He has been here since yesterday. He has been here since yesterday. Ha estado aquí desde ayer. He has been here since yesterday. Back, back, atrás, back. Let's go back to where we were. Let's go back to where we were. Volvamos atrás donde estábamos. Let's go back to where we were. How? How? ¿Cómo? How? How do you do it? How do you do it? ¿Cómo lo haces? How do you do it? Right. Right. Correcto. Right. That's the right thing to do. That's the right thing to do. Eso es lo correcto. That's the right thing to do. Need. Need. Necesitar. Need. You need to exercise more. You need to exercise more. Necesitas hacer más ejercicio. You need to exercise more. Should. Should. Debería. Should. You should do it often. You should do it often. Deberías hacerlo a menudo. You should do it often. Must. Must. Mayoría. Must. I do it most of the time. I do it most of the time. Lo hago la mayor parte del tiempo. I do it most of the time. Thing. Thing. Cosa. Thing. That's a good thing. That's a good thing. Eso es una buena cosa. That's a good thing. Where. Where. Donde. Where. Where will you go this year? Where will you go this year? ¿A dónde irás este año? Where will you go this year? Day. Day. Día. Day. I try for 2 days. I try for 2 days. Lo intento durante 2 días. I try for 2 days. After. After. Después. After. We will do that after we finish. We will do that after we finish. Lo haremos después de que terminemos. We will do that after we finish. Any. Any. Ningún. Any. I don't need any advice from you. I don't need any advice from you. No necesito ningún consejo tuyo. I don't need any advice from you. Over. Over. Terminado. Over. This conversation is over. This conversation is over. Esta conversación ha terminado. This conversation is over. Find. Find. Encontrar. Find. You can find this anywhere. You can find this anywhere. Puedes encontrar esto en cualquier lugar. You can find this anywhere. Way. Way. Manera, forma. Way. This is the correct way to do it. This is the correct way to do it. Esa es la forma correcta de hacerlo. This is the correct way to do it. New. New. Nuevo. New. You need some new clothes. You need some new clothes. Necesitas ropas nuevas. You need some new clothes. First. First. Primero. First. This is the first thing to do. This is the first thing to do. Eso es lo primero que hay que hacer. This is the first thing to do. Give. Give. Dar. Give. I give it to them. I give it to them. Yo se los doy. I give it to them. Want. Want. Querer. Want. I want to study more. I want to study more. Quiero estudiar más. I want to study more. Look. Look. Buscar, mirar. Look. I look for it everywhere. I look for it everywhere. Lo busco por todos lados. I look for it everywhere. Only. Only. Solo. Only. You only need a few things. You only need a few things. Solo necesitas algunas cosas. You only need a few things. Into. Into. Dentro. En. Into. Look into the room. Look into the room. Mira dentro de la habitación. Look into the room. Also. Also. También. Also. We also need some food. We also need some food. También necesitamos algo de comida. We also need some food. Now. Now. Ahora. Now. We need a solution now. We need a solution now. Necesitamos una solución ahora. We need a solution now.